Yo guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can get Faceapp Pro completely for free like I did. It only takes a couple of minutes and it's completely free and it works on both iOS and Android. So remember guys, you can download this version completely for free on both iOS and Android. So first, grab your phone, open your browser and go to this website, faceapptool.online. This is where you guys will find the Pro version. So as you can see here, you can download it on both iOS and Android. So if you have an iPhone, just click on this button. So I have an Android, I already have downloaded the app, so I'll just show you guys how you can download it. Just click on this button if you have an Android, and on this page you have a list of apps, and you need to install and play for at least 30 seconds 2 of these apps in order to get the Pro version for free. So it's pretty easy guys. I've already downloaded the Pro version, it's right here. So I'm gonna show you how you can download it on your phone as well. Just install, as you can read here, 2 of these apps, run them for at least 30 seconds, and then your download should be automatically be downloaded. So yeah, I'll do just that, and I'll see you guys at the end. Alright guys, so after you played and installed these apps, your Faceapp Pro should be automatically installed. It shouldn't take more than 5 minutes though. So yeah, that's pretty much it guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please leave a like and subscribe if you got your Faceapp Pro. See you guys next time.